11:14 on what has been a very rainy and stormy last 24 hours. In fact, take a look at some of these rainfall totals so far. Over an inch of rain in Memphis, about an inch and a half in Wynne. That seems to be the case for many areas, but that yellow area up there from Lauderdale County into Haywood County and Crockett County, some areas up there saw as much as 4 inches of rain. That has led to some flash flooding concerns and several roadways that are flooded up there. And with the rain that's coming down in Memphis right now, we are likely going to see some of those flooded roadways here over the next little bit. Also, some hail mixed in. This was from last night around 10 o'clock from Luke and Shelby Forest. Some ping pong ball sized hail and reports of some windshields knocked out thanks to all that hail. Want to take you back live outside. This is 240 and Perkins. We saw that dark cloud off in the distance a little bit ago. The rain is now coming down. We're seeing wind gusts with this storm coming through Memphis around 25 or 30 miles an hour. So this is not severe. We don't have any warnings in effect. It's just a hefty line of storms that's rolling through the Mid-South that really extends up toward Covington and Ripley as well, right through the Memphis metro and then into northern Mississippi. Here's a closer look at what's happening here in the city of Memphis. Very heavy rain, likely some hail near the airport. And then as you get up Germantown Parkway, that's where the heaviest of the rain is there. Bartlett, Arlington, and Lakeland, even over to Eads, also seeing some of that very heavy rain. This storm, of course, pushing off to the east. Heavy rain near Horn Lake coming into Nesbitt right now in DeSoto County and down Highway 61 toward Tunica. Again, none of this weather right now is severe. It's definitely some heavy rain and some gusty winds, but even though it's not severe right now, there is still a severe weather potential. Now that risk has shifted east of the Mississippi River. So if you were in western Tennessee or northern Mississippi, you do still have the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon. But this line that's coming through Memphis right now, that's the end of it. So if you're in Arkansas, we can give you the all clear for the severe weather threat. And as soon as these storms end in Memphis within the next 30 or 45 minutes, we can also give the Memphis Metro the all clear. Now, technically, we do have a tornado watch in effect until noon. I'm not very impressed with the tornado potential. I think if there was going to be a tornado, it would have happened already. So I think that risk is decreasing. But that watch, again, does go until noon and could be extended for Lafayette, Tippah, and Alcorn counties, also McNairy counties. Those are the areas that are not in the watch. That watch could be extended for you a little bit later into the afternoon. As far as Memphis goes, the city of Memphis, we will see storms for about the next hour. The rest of the afternoon and evening, we'll see the storms move out. The severe weather risk will be over in Memphis at noon, but we could see some lighter showers through the afternoon with temperatures falling into the 40s and 50s. So there goes that line of storms. It's going to move off to the east. Again, some storms could continue for Selmer and Corinth through this afternoon, but in general, the worst of the weather is going to be quickly coming to an end. Tonight, it is going to be cold. In fact, we could even see some flurries by tomorrow morning. Not going to amount to anything, but don't be surprised if you wake up to see a couple of snowflakes flying around. 46 with sunshine by the afternoon, 50s on Saturday, 60 on Sunday, back to the 70s, close to it next week. Our next chance of rain is going to come in after today on next Wednesday.